Today I want to do a demo of serverless inferencing on top of AMD GPUs. So why AMD GPUs? They have bigger video RAM and they're also at bit discount. And currently Nvidia is having kind of like a monopoly, and I just want to provide an alternative on top of it. So I built a package to deploy certain LLMs and VLMs and deep learning models on top of AMD GPUs serverless manner. Like there are already existing packages which does this. If you want to own an AMD GPU per hour, instead of doing that, you will only pay for the usage of your API, LLM usage basically. So I'm trying to deploy an LLM here. So the example is already QuenChat, and it has already I mean, it's very quick to deploy, and I am trying to showcase a basically this request. This is the URL that has been deployed, and you can ask a question about it, like explain what is GPU in 2 sentences, and max tokens is 128. But yeah, so we are gonna do billing as well, like how much it costs to run per second per GB on AMD GPU as serverless inference offering that is currently being showcased. So it is first time being run, so it will take some time to download the model and give an answer on top of it. So you got the answer. A GPU of graphics is a graphics processing unit, and it's a parallel processing machine, and it's max 128 tokens. And another thing is that you can do billing as well. So 2 instances. So total GPU time is 60 seconds, close to a minute basically. So number of jobs deployed is 2, and current estimated cost of billing for this inferencing is this. So $0.004 per minute, at least estimation. So we can try to run another question on top of this. Currently there is cold start and warm start. Elify what is Reddit? What is Reddit? So it's gonna think of Reddit as a big online community, and I mean response are instantaneous, and you can update the updated billing as well. So this is the billing cost for this many tokens. You can observe the difference in $0.001 per every 3 seconds or 4 seconds. So that's the POC that I'm trying to build on top of AMD GPUs as serverless offerings basically.